Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can create a roll-up status, in this case, a roll-up of information. And this is really useful if you want to get a report on, for example, the status of subitems within our app, Unlimited Subitems, or maybe hours. So it's a little bit of a workaround, but let me show you how you can do that. So here I created, a very simple board with just a parent item and a subitem. Again, you're going to find the same information in Unlimited Subitems. So as you can see here are those two. I went ahead and created the third level subitems. Like I said, our app works starting from the third level. And when you create the third level, what you're going to see pop up as well is on the left-hand side is a storage board. So as you can see, here are where the subitems that I just showed you are being stored. So let's go ahead and show you how you can create a roll-up of information. So within Unlimited Subitems, I'm going to go ahead and add in the status column, which is the information that I'm interested. So let's go ahead and add in status. Perfect. And let's now go ahead and add the status that I would like to show up, working on it. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the storage board. Here we are. And in this storage board, what we're going to do is we are going to now add in a connect board called connect boards. There we go. And we're going to now, what we're going to do is actually select the main table. So the main table's name is marketing campaign hours. Let's go ahead and select that. Make sure you have create a two-way connection and connect the boards. So I'll do this later. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this top parent. There we go. And now we're going to go back to the marketing campaign hours board, which is the main table. And we're going to now add within our subitems a board called, again, the connect boards. We're going to select now the storage board. So what I want is basically these two boards speaking and communicating to each other. Again, make sure you select create a two-way connection. Let's go ahead and connect those boards. So now as you can see here, we have marketing campaigns hours storage being connected. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this top parent item. So now I'm going to go back to the storage board, and as you can see now I have a new column in here, and I'm going to rename this child of. So again, we kind of keep the hierarchy organized. You understand where each item is coming from. Let's go ahead and now connect this to the parent item. In this case, it's defined target audience. There we go. Perfect. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the main table board, go back to the subitems, and here what we're going to do is we're going to add a mirror board. Here we go. We're going to connect it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to top parent item. And I'm going to select status because, like I said, that's the information that I want to report. I'm going to make sure to select all labels. And now if you look, I actually have the status report of the subitems that I created within Unlimited Subitems. So we have one that's done and one that's working on it. So let me show you what it would look like if I were to add, a new item, and I want that to be reflected as well in my status report. So let's go ahead and add define third phase. There you go. Let's put the status of done. Perfect. Now we're going to go back to the storage board, and we have to make sure, as you can see, it's appeared here, that this one as well is linked to the parent item, which is defined target audience. So what this is basically saying is that this subitem is a child of this parent item. So if we're going to go back to here, the marketing campaign hours main table board, and to the subitems, there you have it. So now it's being automatically reflected as I just added in another subitem with the status of done. And this is how you can reflect, roll-up statuses or roll-up reports. So in this case, I did status, but I said previously that you can do hours or anything really that's some sort of roll-up of information. So I hope this video helped with that. Thank you.